In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a custom agent in Notion. We'll go through the full setup process in a simple, practical way so you can build an agent that actually helps with your work instead of guessing what you want. The key idea here is that a custom agent is only as useful as the instructions, access, and testing you give it, so we'll focus on getting those parts right from the start. First, open Notion and go to the area where custom agents are available. Depending on your workspace layout, this may be found in a Tools, AI, or Automation section. Take a moment to make sure you're in the correct workspace, especially if you manage more than one, because your agent will need access to the right content later. Once you're there, create a new custom agent. This is the starting point where you define what the agent is for. Think of it like creating a specialized assistant rather than a general chatbot. A focused agent usually performs better because it has a clear role. Next, choose what job you want the agent to do. Be specific here. Instead of giving it a broad goal, like helping with work, decide on one clear responsibility, such as summarizing notes, organizing project updates, or drafting content from a database. The more precise the job, the easier it will be to guide the agent toward useful results. After that, write clear instructions for the agent. This is one of the most important parts of the setup. Explain what the agent should do, what kind of output you expect, and any rules it should follow. Use plain, direct language. If tone, format, or length matters, say so. Good instructions reduce confusion and improve consistency. Then connect the agent to the correct Notion pages or databases. This step gives it the information it needs to work with. Be intentional about what you connect. Too little access may limit the results, while too much access can make the agent less focused. Try to connect only the pages and databases that are relevant to its task. If the option is available, set a trigger, schedule, or action. This determines when the agent runs or what event causes it to act. For example, you may want it to run automatically at a certain time or respond when content is updated. Choose the setup that best matches your workflow. Before relying on it, test the agent with a small task first. This helps you catch issues early without affecting important work. Review the output carefully and look for anything unclear, incomplete, or off topic. Finally, adjust the instructions until the agent gives the result you want. This is a normal part of the process. Small changes in wording can make a big difference. Keep refining until the agent is reliable, clear, and genuinely useful in your Notion workspace.